just like that. My imagination never felt so clear enough. Now I know this is real. Your wings control my every move. Your face distracts my confidence to stand there. And I say, that
and I'll be officiating today, and excited for this chance to do this wedding. I've known Jason a long time, known Bailey since yesterday. Feels like maybe since the day before. What I want to do first, before we do the ceremony, is I'd like to explore the connection between their marriage and the atonement, since this is a wedding that's officiated by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and it is our most important doctrine. So the word atonement itself means to bring at one. So it shouldn't surprise anyone that there's a strong connection between the doctrine of the atonement and marriage. And I just wanted to share a couple of scriptures really quick to help illustrate this. The first one is in 3 Nephi chapter 27, verse 14. Jesus says, "My Father sent me that I might be lifted up upon the cross, and after that I had been lifted up upon the cross, I might draw all men unto me. That as I have been lifted up by men, even so should men be lifted up by the Father to stand before me. For this cause have I been lifted up. According to the power of the Father, I will draw all men unto me." So the first element that I want to point out is that there is a lifting power in the atonement. And you have already felt it. You have felt it lifting you and helping you to rise and progress. But it's not meant to just lift. And the other verse that I want to share is from 3 Nephi chapter 9, verse 4. And it says, "How oft would I have gathered you as a hen gathers her chickens under her wings and nourished you." And so the second dimension I want you to remember is the gathering dimension. Okay? And if you can put those two things together, the lifting power of the atonement and the gathering power of the atonement, then you'll have the complete picture of what the atonement's trying to do. As the Lord and His Heavenly Father are trying to lift both of you closer to Him, He wants to gather you. He wants to gather you closer together as a couple. He wants to gather your family closer together. And I mentioned yesterday when I talked to you that the best object lesson I could find to illustrate this was the drawstring of a laundry bag. Every time you have a laundry bag, I want you to remember this. But you'll notice when you pull on the string to lift it, it doesn't just lift it, it also has a process where it gathers and pulls the top of the bag together. And that single motion does both at once. Okay? And that's what you'll find with the atonement. Now, when I got married, my wife and I thought we would have a symbol that would help us to remember the importance of the atonement as a foundation of our relationship. Okay? And it was the triangle. So I'd like you guys to do this right now. If you could put your fingers together in kind of a triangle shape. Okay? And you'll remember that you're each on one side and the Lord at the top. And that as you come closer to Him, as you approach Him, the sides of the triangle as we do this, then what happens to the distance between you? It's closer. If you want to have a successful marriage, always remember the triangle. And you'll find over the years, as you progress and as the atonement applies to you, that you'll be drawn upward and you'll be drawn closer. There's a lot of books you could read that won't tell you to do it that way. They'll say you need to focus on each other and have this super magnified focus on each other's needs all the time. The truth is, that's not the Lord's way. The Lord's way is to look up to Him and He will help you come closer. Okay? You ready to do this? Jason and Bailey, please take each other by the right hand. Jason Archibald Brown and Bailey Page Jones, you have taken one another by the right hand in token of the covenant you will now enter into in the presence of God and His witnesses. Jason Archibald Brown, you take Bailey Page Jones as your lawfully wedded wife, and do you of your own free will and choice covenant as her companion and lawfully wedded husband, that you will cleave unto her and none else, observe all the laws, covenants, and obligations pertaining to the holy state of matrimony, and love, honor, and cherish her as long as you both shall live. Bailey Page Jones, you take Jason Archibald Brown as your lawfully wedded husband, and do you, of your own free will and choice, covenant as his companion and lawfully wedded wife, that you will cleave unto him and none else, that you will observe all the laws, covenants, and obligations pertaining to the holy state of matrimony, and that you will love, honor, and cherish him as long as you both shall live. By the legal authority vested in me as an elder of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, I pronounce you Jason Archibald Brown and Bailey Page Jones, husband and wife, legally and lawfully wedded. May God, for the period of your mortal lives, may God bless your union with joy and prosperity and a long life of happiness together. May He enable you to keep sacred the covenants you have made. These blessings I invoke upon you in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ. Amen. Amen. You may now kiss each other as husband and wife. Now the official part of the ceremony is over, but it's a tradition to have a ring exchange at this time. So we're going to have the ring exchange, and then you're welcome to come up and greet the bride and groom, and we'll be done.
Oh, it fits. Perfect.
Oh, check it out.
One more, one more.
Come greet the couple.
All right. Let's get the party started.